Gichi-inini.
Zigo gonna got you what Gichi-ishpaming. Neen Adam, Ogamont of Eternia and defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Thagath, Nawijuagan Gathun Gadayat. Nananduk omamaandaawizii were revealed to me the day I held aloft my magic Gichi-miigwech and said, Onje Thun Githuin Grayskull! Omamaandaawizii! Thagath became the mighty Migathu Bujant, and I became Gichi-inini, the most powerful man in the universe. Only Nithway others share this secret. Our friends, omamaandaawizii, Ojibwe, and Orko. Together, we defend Castle Grayskull from the evil forces of Gichi-miigwech.
Gichi-inini.
Gaawiin Wiikaa, Onizhishisinoon, Ji-aazhida-doodaading.
I sure hope this won't take long to fix. Gichi-miigwech. I could use my omamaandaawizii win.
Gaawiin, Orko, that won't be necessary. It's just a loose belt.
And we're almost finished.
Howsa? But what's so good about being a omamaandaawizii if no one ever wants you to use your omamaandaawizii win?
Omamaandaawizii? Did I hear someone say he is omamaandaawizii?
Hey, Neen. Owen and Dashkin.
Permit me to introduce myself. Karthos indigenous, and I too was omamaandaawizii until Evil-Lyn and her weak spell changed me into this. But if you are omamaandaawizii, maybe you can change me back.
Orko, anina kamigakawede.
Well, I finally found someone who appreciates good omamaandaawizii win.
At last! In the bandits!
Tila, Shkay, isn't that the evil omamaandaawizii Karthos with Orko?
You're right. Let's go.
Miigwech Orko, your omamaandaawizii win is excellent, but I'm wondering if mine still works.
Only one way to find out.
Orko, Beitak!
The most excellent suggestion, Shmarkach. Well, it looks like I do still have a touch. A pity that miserable Charodinitsa Evil-Lyn isn't here, so I can deal with her as well. You know, that's not a bad idea. Gichi-miigwech, this is Karthos.
Karthos? I thought I turned him into a slug.
That's exactly why I called. Gichi-miigwech, I would like to propose a deal. You will give me Evil-Lyn, and I will give you Gaawiin. I repeat, Gaawiin of your enemies in trade.
Gichi-miigwech, you're not going to listen to him, are you?
Gaawiin, how can I trade my trusted right hand of evil for them?
And what would you say if I threw in Gichi-inini as well?
At Kneibik Mountain, we don't listen to fools!
Becca, Evil-Lyn, we may be able to turn this to our advantage. When you've got Gichi-inini, we'll talk.
We shall talk indeed, Gichi-miigwech. I know this one is protected by Gichi-inini. If they are in danger, he will come Jimak. I will easily overcome Gichi-inini, and then Evil-Lyn will be mine.
Wagwinish omamaandaawizii.
It must have been Karthos' omamaandaawizii win.
Well, then use yours and get us back to dry land.
Gichi-gami, Bizindoashanam, Omo NJ, Giga-agoananam. Sorry, Nietzsche. I guess Karthos' omamaandaawizii win is just too strong.
Don't worry, Orko. I'll swim and get help.
Adam, it's too far.
I think I've gone far enough Tila won't suspect.
Still no sign of Gichi-inini. Maybe a giant wave will speed him up.
Huh, still no sign of help.
In that case, maybe we should just wave goodbye.
Zagus, that's not funny. That wave is no joke.
Awaynish pit. I can't even swim.
Oh, hi! A tidal wave! There's no time to lose. Onizhishisinoon omamaandaawizii!
We do the mom.
Hold on tight. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
Is Adam all right?
He's just fine. Now go on to tuck. Gichi-miigwech.
Так і знав. Gichi-inini скоро буде в моїх руках.
Is it over yet?
Sure is, Boujanth.
Karthos, Onizhishisinoon.
To put a two on the shade to go, or I'll turn you back into a sand slug.
Admirable courage, Markash. But I don't think you have a chance. And now for my prize catch.
Onizhishisinoon. I'm, getting weak.
And I am about to get my Ji-aazhida-doodaading win, my revenge on Evil-Lyn. I knew you are too strong for my freeze magic, but this helmet will keep you weak as baby. Until Gichi-miigwech arrives. Well, Gichi-miigwech, I have Gichi-inini, and you know my prize. I will give him to you in exchange of Evil-Lyn.
Тихо, телепню, before I tore you back into the slug you are.
Forgive Evil-Lyn's bad manners, Karthos. Gichi-miigwech will be there to make the exchange.
What are you talking about?
Go, Evil-Lyn. We must play along with this little game if we are to get Gichi-inini.
Ah, giget. Gitbe.
Gaawiin.
But Gichi-miigwech, what's this?
It's all part of the game, Evil-Lyn. All part of the game. Trust me.
Chudor. And so it's time to summon my own floating palace for its latest guest.
Master Palace. Can you have the key, your master?
Gichi-miigwech approaches.
Gichi-miigwech, this is carrying things too far.
Where's Evil-Lyn? But capturing Gichi-inini is more important than the personal comfort of those who serve me.
See, you are selling me out to this slimak?
Flattery will get you nowhere, moja dorohenka. Now come along.
To capture Gichi-inini, I'd sell out anyone!
Miigwech were everything, Gichi-miigwech, and I do mean everything.
Evil-Lyn. We're enemies, but we're also each other's only hope. Use your omamaandaawizii to free me and my friends, and I promise I'll rescue you from Karthos.
Nice try, Gichi-inini, but from now on, get the Binaman.
Gichi-inini, he may be my enemy, but at least he will keep his word.
Evil-Lyn.
It's great to be back in action.
Hey, yeah, because now I can run and hide.
Karthos, Wiikaa, you've got to help me with Gichi-inini.
Sorry, Gichi-miigwech, but he's your problem now. So take him. Here's my compliments.
Don't worry, Evil-Lyn. I'll be back.
Gichi-inini, betak.
You won't escape me now.
Gichi-inini, I got a present for you, Niche.
Oh, no, you don't.
Hey, Gichi-miigwech, I'm too weak to move this asin. Ah! Oh, I saw you, little magician-ish. Now you're really gonna get it.
How we thought, Tila? Go for it.
Hami it, Gichi-inini. Now hit it.
Wiggle Ned?
Tila! Where'd you learn that?
It's just a little something I picked up in Ojibwe training school.
Oh, wow. It looks like Gichi-inini is picking up a big something as well.
Gichi-miigwech, your bime bidechigan got stuck in the sand, so I'm giving it back to you.
Oh, hi. Ah!
Egith, where have you been?
I thought I would only get in the way. It is over, isn't it?
Gaawiin, we still have to rescue Evil-Lyn.
Wiikaa!
I gave her my word.
Gichi-inini, and Karthos probably dreamed up a horrible revenge for getting turned into a giant slug.
But how are we? I mean, how are you gonna get up to that floating palace?
Well, there's always a portable sky sled or niche stored in the attack track. With the extra altitude this cliff gives us, we should be able to make it.
But Gichi-inini, not even Mikazubu Zanes could fly a sky sled. You can't expect me to go.
How come? Flying's a cinch.
Easy for you to say.
G'day boy, Thagith. We'll meet you back at the palace. The one on the ground, that is.
Phew. Well, that sure is a relief. Well, good luck, Ginawa.
Miigwech, Niwiijuagananth. We're going to need it.
If you try to rescue Evil-Lyn, you will be sorry, man. A very sorry man.
You wait a day. Karthos' floated palace. We're almost there.
And that's as close as you're gonna get.
I never thought I'd be saying this, but I hope Gichi-inini proves you wrong. Once he frees me, Karthos!
I hate to disappoint you, Evil-Lyn, but Gichi-inini's rescue mission has just been cancelled due to stormy weather.
Hey, where did this come from?
It's not like any normal storm I've ever seen. Sai! My floating power's just shorted out!
Orko!
Miigwech, Tila? I think I spoke too soon. Gichi-inini! Help!
Grab hold, me cheek.
Phew! What a relief to be able to float again. That thunderstorm was a doozy.
Дуже дякую, Orko. And if you like my storm, you will love my palace.
We should have known it wasn't gonna get any easier.
I think I like the storm better.
Well, things are looking up, Onizhishisinoon. Ambe!
Onizhishisinoon.
Omaije!
Miigwech, we're safe.
But where are we gonna find Evil-Lyn?
I'm afraid you won't. I have waited too long for my Ojibwe to let you spoil it now.
Tila, Ginjigo Orko, look for Evil-Lyn while I keep Karthos busy.
You will have to catch me first. That is, unless I catch you first.
Tila, shke!
Evil-Lyn.
Well, it's about time. Get me out of here!
Hey,
We're going in.
Well, so much for surprise.
Get them.
Elsa, omamaandaawizii went do your stuff. What the heck? Even I don't know how I just did that.
Who cares, as long as it worked?
Exactly, and if this force field didn't block my own omamaandaawizii, I would have gotten rid of these fools. Now, if you don't mind, the keys are there.
Do you really think we should?
Evil-Lyn kept her part of the bargain by freeing Gichi-inini. Guess now we've got to keep ours.
Elsa, gonna go Gichi-inini, omachayat.
You disappointed me, Gichi-inini. You were so easy to stop, and after I have heard so much about your great strength.
I can say the same about your wisdom, Karthos. A great omamaandaawizii. But you aren't smart enough to realize that revenge is a game that no one wins.
You are wrong, Gichi-inini. My Ji-aazhida-doodaading win over Evil-Lyn is gonna be a complete triumph. But come, join me. Maybe you can change my mind.
Whoa!
Oh, ничего себе. I really must have that floor fixed.
Shay, I think I know where I'm going. But I wish I were wrong!
Misha, Evil-Lyn, the force screen is deactivated. Now Gichi-inini's promise has been kept, and if I were you, I'd leave this floating palace Jamak.
Ashinda! Karthos wanted his revenge, now I want mine. Oh, when I'm done with him, Karthos will wish he were a sand slug again. You to serve your purpose. Now out of my way!
Doesn't look like this gate's gonna hold much longer. But with a little luck, it won't have to. Phew! I'm glad that's over. Now to find Evil-Lyn.
Заберіться, жалюгідний черв'як! І це також!
No, Evil-Lyn, stop! Припини!
And I think I found her.
Припини! I'm just getting warmed up.
Just remember, you did turn me into the sand slug. I had good reason to want revenge.
And you kept me cooped up in a cage, like somebody's pet Beneshi. So now it's my turn!
Gichi-inini, you protected Karthos?
Sorry, Gichi-inini, she got away from us.
And now, ha ha ha! You may have saved Karthos, but you won't save the floating palace.
Hi, she's heading to the control room of the palace.
Mijigo, Karthos' floating palace Dani Girishkwesi. Ah! Who knows? Maybe revenge is not such a great idea after all.
She did it, Gichi-inini. She did it. Evil-Lyn actually wrecked the control system of my palace. We are doomed.
I'll tell you what, Karthos. I'll save your palace if you swear off evil. Forget about revenge.
Jagige, Naviki, forever I promise. It's a deal.
You'd better hurry, or it's gonna be too late.
Wait, what did you do with our sky sleds?
I'm back. I'll take you to them.
Good luck.
Brace yourselves, Gaawiin.
He did it. He saved my palace.
Well, of course he did. We're talking about my Nichi Gichi-inini.
The control of my palace have been repaired, and I must thank you for saving it. And then, Gichi-inini.
You'll thank me best by keeping your promise to use your omamaandaawizii for good instead of evil, and forget about revenge.
No need to worry, Gichi-inini. I have learned my lesson. Revenge is something only a fool could waste time on. I am through with it.
Now that makes good sense.
What's more, I have sought a wonderful way to use my omamaandaawizii for good.
Getna Aninishe. Oh no, not again.
Oops. Niminjineves Orko. That's not what I had in my mind. From now on, I'm flying over the all Eternia, and anytime Gichi-inini needs it to give me one for their crops, Karthos instant weather service will be there.
Well, the next time Orko needs watering, we'll be sure to let you know.
Today we learned there's no such thing as Ji-aazhida-doodaading, getting even. Even if someone does something to you and you get back at them,
And they get back at you,
and you get back at them,
and they get back at you,
and you get back at them again.
and they...
So you see, it never stops. No one is really getting even at all. The best thing to do is talk it over and start fresh. Mina Orko?
Minangay! Gigabalaban Minawa!